How to limit hotspot users in OnePlus. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your phone. Click on Wi-Fi and network at the top. Then, simply click on hotspot and tethering. In here, click on Wi-Fi hotspot. Then, turn on Wi-Fi hotspot and click on Connected Device Manager. In here, after certain devices are connected, there is no limit hotspot users, but what you can do is simply click on disconnect and remove people from your hotspot and limit only few users. This is how to limit hotspot users in OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.